So you're willing to work in making some Instagram reels using the artificial intelligence of the actual Canva. Today I'm going to be focusing and do this process in a very easy way. The first thing I'm going to be doing here is to have access directly into my Canva account. Now it's going to be really important that you want to use the actual template that is for the videos. Because if I go for the element that says create and go for example for an actual presentation, you will be seeing that the editor doesn't have the actual timeline that we will be working on today. So what I'm going to be doing here is that instead of going for create an actual design, I go for the social media, I go for Instagram, and we have now the Instagram reel. As long as this is an actual template for videos, you will be seeing the actual timeline down here, and it will be really awesome to get started. So how can we use the artificial intelligence to make some Instagram reels? If I focus directly into the left section, I will be scrolling a little bit down. When I scroll down, we can look out for the element that says the magic media. The magic media can be capable of generating images, graphics, videos, and 3D elements, so we can generate those directly inside the actual Canva tools. So when you go for the element that says videos, what you can do is to just choose the element. Let's say for example that I want to be generating something related with technology or the universe. So just click directly into what you're actually aiming for and look out, and automatically add it directly inside here. The other solution that I can give you is that directly inside your actual tools, look out for the element that says Canva AI. Directly into the Canva AI, just click into the element that says extract your idea, and I will bring this directly back to the actual life. So what you can do is to, for example, let's say create an amazing cinematic look, for example, an amazing cinematic look of the Big Bang from the galaxy. In this case, for example, it will be generating an actual image. But if you have the actual pro version, it will be giving you access to do this process into an actual video. Something else that I can totally suggest you is that if you don't have the Canva AI tutorials, what you can do is to go for the actual Meta AI. Meta AI is totally for free. It has an AI image video generator, and it can be, let's say, copying it and paste it directly here into Canva, and you don't have to pay absolutely for anything. For example, I'm gonna go back directly where we're currently at, and here what I'm gonna be doing here is to copy this specific prompt. I will be going for the actual new chat, and directly here into my actual new chat I go for here. So like this. There we go. I paste it, and where it says create the image, I look out for the element that says create the actual video. So really important to be focusing off video. I send the actual prompt, and it will be making the actual planning of the cinematic video. So when you have now this specific element, you can click into the element that says edit the video, and it will be appearing directly inside here. Something else that you can do really fast is to focus into the element that says template into the left section. Inside here, what you can do is to look out for an actual template that can be helping you to make this process really fast. For example, this one. I click into this specific style, and as you can see, the actual timeline will be showing me all the actual tools, all the actual videos. So what I need to do now is just to select one element that I would like to edit. So when I just click inside here, what I can do is to, let's say, download this image or this second image. I head back directly inside here, I import my image, and I just needed to just drag and drop, and it will be appearing directly inside here. So I'm going to be just changing this for 1 second like this. There we go. And as you can see, it is going to be making these tools really fast, and the Meta AI will be doing the stuff itself. So those are two ways of how you can actually make AI videos totally for free. We don't need to pay absolutely for anything else. What I loved about the elements of the Meta is that if you like what you're seeing in here, you go and tell, for example, that you want to make this a little bit much more bigger, or to make this look a little bit much more different. So those are just a few tools of how you can actually focus and generate videos directly from the Canva AI. Once you finish with all of these tools, go for the upper right corner that says share. Into share, go for download MP4 video in 1080 and go for download. If you have any questions, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You have more tools like this. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.